Okay, so what's it? I wrote a bunch of properties. I said there are two types of asymptotes that are possible within the class of horizontal asymptotes. First one is the x-axis. The second is along a line. When do we expect a horizontal asymptote that is along the x-axis? The numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree. Other way around. The denominator degree is bigger than the numerator degree. So let's start with something extremely simple. Supposedly, x plus 1 divided by x squared. I'll do plus. I don't want to do minus 4 because minus 4 would probably result in vertical asymptotes. So, graph. Looks funny, right? Very funny. Why? I'm not in what? An awkward window. So clearly there is an asymptote along the x-axis on this side. And if you kept on going further, you change the x values instead of negative 3 to 3. Let's do negative 10 to 10. Oh. It goes up, but it comes back down, and it goes along the x. Yes? So the x-axis would be the horizontal. If the numerator degree is bigger, sorry, the denominator degree is bigger than the numerator. If they are the same, for instance, 4x squared plus 5 divided by 4x squared plus 7. Wrong. What line is the asymptote? Well, what do we expect again? Go back to that. Day. Is it? We take the coefficient of the numerator polynomial for the leading term, which is 4, coefficient of the leading term in the denominator polynomial, 4, since the degrees are the same, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, put y each one in the horizontal line, change. I'm going to adjust the window because it's very narrow. It is not going to become negative, correct? The numerator is 4x squared. Denominator 4x squared plus 7. No matter what x you plug in, you would always get a positive number. So, okay. 4 negative parts. For what? You can zoom in but we do see that one is 1. So, the next one is 3x raised 4 plus x minus 4. Of course, you've got to put the parentheses. You don't do it. It's not going to show you the correct answer. 7x raised 4 plus 11 What's wrong? Why is it looking funny? That's the line and the asymptotes over here. It doesn't look right. Okay. What's wrong? Now you should be able to use your pre-calculus skills. Is the numerator degree the same as the denominator degree? What is the horizontal asymptote? 3/7. But what is the second equation that I have? 1. It's nowhere close to 3/7. So 3 divided by 7. Well, that is the original.